I'd like to share a small section of my clock collection. You can see the cuckoo clock and a recently acquired Shatz torsion pendulum clock, which I'll get back to later. I've got a couple of clocks here. I don't run them. I don't like the sound of their chimes. This one too. It's really not a chime, it's a gong. But this one is running, and I like this one. And I've got a barograph over there, which has got a Swiss cylinder movement. And then this is a German clock by an English manufacturer, but the movement is German. And I've got a cheap Chinese clock, but I like it, and I got it cheap. The torsion pendulum clock, this is a Shatz miniature, and it's the last movement that Shatz made before they switched to not key winding, maybe electric or quartz after this, but this was the last mechanical movement. And I got it in the box. It's a little tarnished. I've actually worked on another one that was in better condition, but this one came with the shelf. The shelf is painted just like the clock, and I overhauled this, and it's in really good condition, running condition with good timekeeping. I've got a couple of other clocks. This is one that I'm repairing for a customer. This I keep running, but I don't run the chimes. There's a little gingerbread. This is a Seth Thomas, which runs fine. It's a 30-hour clock, and it's from 1845, and I don't like to run it too much. I run it just for demonstration, but it runs fine. And it's time to, there we go. And this is a Plymouth, which is really a Seth Thomas. And that's a picture that well, it's not a picture, it's an engraving that my mother framed. She was in the art business, and this is actual gold leaf, not the cheap stuff that you see today, but that's actually gold. Okay, a Harley Davidson clock. My grandfather clock, I forget if it's an Ergos movement or not. I think it is. Here's one that I'm repairing for a customer. It's all done. Keeping good time. This was my late brother-in-law's clock, which I cleaned up and got moving. This is the worst clock in my collection. It really doesn't keep good time. It'll keep good time at a certain state of wind, but the time changes. And this is a Joseph Girl, G-I-R-L. Each of those weights weigh 10 pounds. Let me take it from a different angle so we don't get the reflection. There's no case for this. So that's it. This is all the clocks I have in my basement.